Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious peanut butter desserts, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 large eggs. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best mixing experience. This foundational step ensures a smooth and consistent batter or dough for your treats. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough desserts, so be gentle. With your dough or batter ready, it's time to shape and bake. For cookies, roll the dough into 1-inch balls and flatten them with a fork to create that classic crisscross pattern. If you're making bars, pour the batter into a greased 8x8-inch baking pan. Bake your treats in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Almost there. Once baked, let your peanut butter desserts cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for them to set properly before you frost them or cut them into perfect portions. For an extra touch, consider drizzling with melted chocolate or sprinkling with a pinch of flaky sea salt. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to maintain their freshness and deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.